Hey, everyone. How's it going? My name is Henry. In this video, I'll share everything you need to know about Dentavim before you decide to purchase it. I also have some important warnings to help you avoid wasting your money, so make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. First, an important warning. Be careful about the website where you buy Dentavim. Right now, this product is only sold on its official website. To make things easier, I've included the link to the official site in the video description and pinned it in the first comment below. Now, let's dive into the review. I'm here to give you my honest experience and help you determine if Dentavim really works. What is Dentavim? Dentavim is a dietary supplement designed to support healthy teeth and gums using a blend of clinically proven, all-natural ingredients. It tackles common oral health problems like bad breath and yellowing teeth, which are often caused by environmental pollutants. The product stands out because of its unique formula that includes 6 powerful nutrients sourced from mountain plants. These ingredients are carefully selected based on scientific research to ensure maximum effectiveness. Dentavim is non-GMO, easy to swallow, and free from stimulants, making it a safe choice for anyone looking to improve their oral hygiene. Dentavim works to reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, strengthen enamel health, freshen your breath, enhance overall oral hygiene. It's especially beneficial for people who struggle with persistent oral health issues despite regular brushing and flossing. Does Dentavim work? Yes, Dentavim works for many users. Its effectiveness is backed by clinical research and positive feedback from countless customers. Environmental pollutants have been linked to oral health problems like bad breath and tooth stains. Dentavim's formula addresses these issues by combining ingredients that work together to combat bacteria and environmental damage, promote healthier gums, deliver a wider, brighter smile. Many users report noticeable improvements in their oral health within a few weeks of use. Testimonials often highlight fresher breath, reduced stains, and increased confidence in their smiles. Plus, Dentavim comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it without risk. Who makes Dentavim? Dentavim is produced by Sophos Wellness, a trusted company known for creating high-quality health supplements. They prioritize customer satisfaction and scientific research, ensuring their products meet top safety and efficacy standards. With Dentavim, you're investing in a product that supports oral health while backing a company with a reputation for integrity and quality. So, if you are looking for a reliable way to improve your oral hygiene and confidence, Dentavim might be the perfect addition to your routine. Don't forget to check the official website link in the description to ensure you're purchasing the authentic product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.